Here's how to allow more data on 5G. So if you want to have higher quality video and use data for more things on 5G, this is what you got to do. You're going to go to settings and you're going to go to cellular. Now, make sure that you actually have the plan for this, like that you're not going to run into any data limits or anything, because this can be risky allowing all of this data to come through 5G. But from here, you're going to go to Cell Data Options, and then we're going to go to Data Mode. So generally, it's on standard or it could be on low data mode. Allow more data on 5G allows 5G or allows your iPhone to even prefer 5G over Wi-Fi. You can read that down here and use it for software updates and higher quality media, etc. So, like I said, you may not want to do that, but if you know that you can, this is how to really unlock that 5G across your phone. The other thing to do is to get out of this and go to voice and data and say, I don't want 5G auto. I don't want you iPhone to choose when 5G is being used. I want 5G on. If it's available, I want you to use it and I want you to allow more data on it. That's how to really open up 5G on your phone, but that's also how to really use your entire data plan in one day, practically. But if you want to do that, if you don't have a data plan or it's truly unlimited, it won't slow down, then maybe you want to do this. Or maybe you just want to do this for something specific. That's how you can allow more data on 5G on the iPhone.